Hi everyone! Welcome here sa ating munting kusina. Welcome here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. I woke up early because I'm going to cook food for my husband. Lunch to work. So I have here my chopped strips of onions. I use red onions and lots of garlic. I have to saute this until slightly golden brown or translucent. I will be adding black pepper and then patis or fish sauce as my savoring enhancer, and also toyo or soya sauce for flavor and coloring. Okay, there you go. Simply mix it. There you go. And I have here my pancit bihon. This is vermicelli noodles or bihon. I'll put this into my boiling water. So after sauteing our spices here, I'm going to add my chicken. So this is pre-cooked chicken. These are chicken legs and I boil it with salt and pepper and then took out the bones, and there you go, slice it or shred it. I use over medium flame, friends. Set this aside maybe for 1 minute, and so I'm cooking this pancit or rice noodles. I don't want this will become very overly cooked, so maybe 3 minutes only. So I'm using my strainer because we have to drain the water, the pancit out from the water. Friends, I'll have to turn this off. This is done. And so chicken here. I'm going to add hot water, maybe half a cup, to hasten the cooking. Okay, there you go. And so I'll have to drain this one and put this into our chicken mixture. So I added the pancit or the noodles, and then I will add the veggies. My vegetables are carrots, celery, and cabbage. I will just add this together. The cabbage supposed to be will be added last, but because this is a type of cabbage a little bit harder, so same texture with the carrots and the celery. So it's been added, so we'll just mix it all together wonderfully. There you go, friends. So to moisten it, I will just add a little bit hot water from the pasta or the noodles that we have. If you think it's a little bit dry, then you can add water, but not so much because it will become mushy. So I mixed it already very well. So actually I'll be adding 100% pure sesame oil to moisten our dish. Maybe 2 teaspoons. And then simply mix it. Remember, friends, cooking and baking, they always make fun and easy here sa ating munting kusina. It also gives you the ideas on what to prepare for your family's next meal. My simple goal in my kitchen is simply for fun, sharing, and learning. Simply love to share my simple recipes and food from day-to-day experience. So lastly, I'm going to garnish that with green onions and then turn the flame off There you go. Once again, thank you, wonderful friends, for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Till the next time.